Since ArcGIS Pro projects can contain multiple map views, it'll sometimes be the case where you'll want to look at the same area across multiple maps. Perhaps you have some 2D and some 3D maps, or maybe one map view contains natural features and another one is focused on parcel ownership. Whatever the case may be, it can be a challenge to keep navigating both views to the same location. Luckily, in ArcGIS Pro, we can link our views together so that they focus on the same point. In this project, I have a 2D map and a local 3D scene of San Francisco. If you take a look at the View tab, one of the options that we have is to link our views together. This is a split button, and if you click on the bottom portion of the button, we see that we have two different options. We can either center or center and scale. Center will keep the center of each map at the same location. The maps won't change scale, only their focal point. If you choose center and scale, then the maps will zoom in and out together as well. I'm going to choose that one, and that'll link our two views together. You'll notice that there's now a chain icon on top of the tabs. That's our visual cue that they're linked together, and navigating within one map will alter the perspective of the other. Now inside of our 3D map, let me go ahead and just click and drag to pan to a new location. Then I'll switch to the 2D map, and you'll see that it's zoomed into the same location. Let's go ahead and pan this map, and I'll go ahead and go up, and we'll zoom in onto Alcatraz Island, which is this island right there. When I switch back to the 3D map, you notice that our perspective has changed to focus on Alcatraz. If I use my A key here in 3D space to spin around and take a look back at the city, then click and drag to pan up over the coastline, we'll notice that we switch back to our 2D view. That map has changed again. Finally, if I press the N key to reorient north up, I'll go back to my 3D view, and we'll see that that update occurred there as well. So any navigation that I do in one map is automatically being applied to the other map. One of the other things that we can do is dock our maps together so that we can see them both at the same time, instead of flipping back between the two tabs. In order to do this, just click on one of the tabs and drag it down. Then you'll see these drop zones appear. Go ahead and drop it on this one to the right. Now we can see the 2D map and the 3D map at the same time. Now I can click in the 2D map to activate it, and then click and drag to move to a new location. And that'll update the 3D map. I'll click in the 3D map to activate it, and drag to a new location. And that'll update the 2D map. Having the two maps on the screen at the same time makes it even easier to see both perspectives at once. Linking views together is an easy way to leverage the capabilities of ArcGIS Pro by reviewing the contents of several maps within a single project.